Hi, my name is Eric Fitzpatrick, and I am the Program Director for the IMI's Storytelling for Influential Leadership program. This is a highly interactive and engaging 2-day program that shows you exactly what storytelling is and how it can help leaders. In it, you'll find out what stories are, why they work, how they can help, where to find them, how to craft them, and how to use them. This program will show you how stories can help you as a leader communicate more effectively. It'll show you how storytelling can be used to increase team performance. And it will show you how storytelling can contribute to helping organizations and businesses meet their overall goals and objectives. This program is for leaders who want to be able to inspire their teams and need to create a compelling narrative to do so. But equally, it's for leaders who have, on occasions, to present upwards to their senior leaders and want to be able to do so in a more impactful way and with increased confidence and competence. For me personally, I got into storytelling about 20 years ago and it has transformed how I communicate. And I believe this program can do the same thing for you. I look forward to seeing you there.